Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So finally we have good news for OnePlus 7 series users. OnePlus has started rolling out its first open beta based on Android 11 for OnePlus 7 series. But right now it's for Chinese users. And the update is for Hydrogen OS. And don't worry guys, it might take a day or two for the same release for Oxygen OS. And I won't recommend you guys to update your device to Hydrogen OS because downgrading to Oxygen OS will completely delete your data. So wait for a day or two and hopefully we might get an update for Oxygen OS by tomorrow evening or day after. But we'll be testing out Hydrogen OS first open beta based on Android 11. So here I have my OnePlus 7 Pro on which I have completed the installation process. If you guys are not worried about your data, then you can download the file and place it inside the internal storage of your device, and all the download links are given in the description below. So here you can see I have the first open beta based on Android 11 for OnePlus 7 Pro. If you guys want to update your device, copy that file inside the internal storage, go to settings, system update and tap on the gear icon towards the right top corner. You will be able to do local upgrade after that. And here we have already done with the local upgrade process. So we just have to reboot a device to finalize the installation process. And after the installation, we'll also get to know whether data will be wiped if you are directly installing on the current version of your Oxygen OS. So let's reboot a device to finalize the installation process. So our device have been successfully updated to Android 11, which is based on Hydrogen OS. First, let's talk about the software information. And also guys, keep one thing in mind. If you are installing Hydrogen OS on your device, you'll see lots of Chinese bloatwares. But those can be easily uninstalled by long pressing on the application. So now let's talk about the software information by going to About section. And here you can see the details. Device is OnePlus 7 Pro, Android version is Android 11. We get 1st December 2020 security patch and build number is Hydrogen OS Open Beta 1. And installing Hydrogen OS Open Beta over Oxygen OS 10 did not even wipe our data. But for better performance, it's always recommended to do a factory reset if there's an Android version change. And till now I know most of you guys are aware about Android 11 changes on OnePlus devices, which is completely redesigned and is meant for one-hand usage. With Android 11 on OnePlus devices, most of the system apps are designed for one-hand usage. And you guys let me know in the comment section below whether you want a complete review on Hydrogen OS 11 for OnePlus 7 series. And now let's not waste much of time and take a look at the changes done with Hydrogen OS 11 Open Beta 1. So here you can see this is the new quick setting panel which provides you few additional details related to your device status. OnePlus says Hydrogen OS is deeply customized system based on Android 11. After that they also say a complete new UI design. And yes, if you compare it with Android 10, there are lots of changes done related to UI. And later they have also optimized the third-party application to improve user experience. That we'll get to know once we start using the device as daily travel. Talking about the next changelog which is related to camera. So after the update, camera version is version 6.4.23. where they say now we have a complete UI change. And yes, there are lots of changes done related to UI when it comes to camera part. And also you guys let me know in the comment section below if you want a complete review on camera after updating the device to Android 11. In the camera segment, they have also added the high efficiency video recording feature, which can help you save some space on your device while recording videos. And that can be enabled directly from the settings. And after that, they have also added a new sharing feature directly inside the camera application. So whenever you take a picture, you can long press on the gallery thumbnail, which will give you options to share your photo on social media platforms. After that, under camera, they have also added this fast video recording feature, which can be done by long pressing on the shutter button. Dragging towards the left hand side will give you one zoom out feature. Dragging towards the right hand side will give you an option of zoom in feature. And after that, they have also added this playback duration of time lapse. And all these things will be covering in complete camera review video. If you guys are not aware about quick share, if you're using your camera for the first time, you'll be notified with this quick guide. Talking about the next changelog which is related to display. So here OnePlus have added few new features under customization. One is this canvas feature, which says canvas can extract the subject outline from any photo to display it on ambient display. And this can be enabled directly from the customization section. And here we have a preview of that. After that, OnePlus have added a new clock style which is called as Insight. And this will give you all the details, how much you have used your device, how many times you have unlocked and other stuff. Along with that, OnePlus have also added few new clock styles which can be used on ambient display. And I know most of you guys must be thinking about always on display, but that's not currently available on this first open beta of Hydrogen OS. I'm not sure this will be added on upcoming builds or not. Talking about next changelog, which is related to dark mode. So here OnePlus have added few additional options under dark mode, in which you can enable dark mode manually. We also get options like automatically enabling time mode depending on the sunrise or sunset, and if you want you can also set custom time range. And there are few applications which does not support dark mode, but OnePlus have given an option to force enable dark mode for those applications which don't support dark mode. For dark mode, OnePlus have also added this shortcut key which can be found in the quick setting panel, which can help you enabling dark mode in single click. Later OnePlus have also optimized the OnePlus Shelf, in which you get to see this weather widget directly on the top, and it's the dynamic weather widget. Along with that, applications like weather have also been updated to the latest one. Last but not the least, OnePlus have also updated its gallery application, in which we get 3 sections. One is photos, second collection, and third is explore. And here you'll also get to see stories based on your past 7 days photos or videos. So guys, this was the list of complete changelogs of Hydrogen OS Open Beta 1. Talking about the benchmark results, with Geekbench application, single core have scored 719, wherein multi-core have scored 2445. With Antutu benchmark application, device have scored 4,56,923. So guys, this was all about the first open beta of Hydrogen OS, which is based on Android 11. And you guys let me know in the comment section below whether you want a complete review on this. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.